What's up, you guys? It's your girl NiNi Court, and I'm back with another video. Before we get into this video, go ahead and give this video a like, subscribe, and comment. So what I have in store today, I will actually be doing a back to school makeup tutorial. So I know school is right around the corner. It's August, you know, everybody goes back to school, whether you're going to college, whether you're going to high school. It doesn't really matter. This look is very versatile. It's very simple. It's really cute, and it is a little glam, but if you're extra like me, it's gonna work perfectly fine. This is how I would look for school. Some may call it extra, some may calling it like, oh, that's a little too much. But no, it's not enough. Okay, it's not enough. And you could wear this every day and you just look like the baddest bitch every single day. Like, that's perfect. Like, why wouldn't you want to just be stepping out looking like that? You know what I'm saying? So go for it. Without further ado, let's get into this video. Alright, you guys, this is me barefaced, no makeup on. So what I will begin with is my primer. This will make the makeup last longer throughout the day. And just for a heads up, I'm going to keep on looking to the right because I have a mirror there. Time for our eyebrows. So what we will begin with is our concealer, our brush, our pencil, and our spoolie for this process. Just go ahead and brush your eyebrows out first, and then we're just going to begin to shape our eyebrows with our pencil and just trace the shape of your natural eyebrows. Now we're just going to clean up our eyebrows, so just go ahead and take your concealer and take your brush, and we're just going to go under and trace our eyebrows around. We're done with the brows. This is what they're looking like. And now we're just going to go ahead and take the concealer and we're going to put that on our eyelids and blend it out as a base for the eyeshadow that we're going to use. Going in with the Morphe 350 palette, I'm just going to use this brownish color on my lids. It's really natural, really, you know, blends in with my skin. So that's what I'm going to use. Time for our liquid eyeliner. So this time we're just going to make a wing. So I'm not really good at this step, but I try my best. So don't get discouraged if it's not perfect, but you know, you can always clean it up with concealer. But yeah, so we're just going to make a wing right now on each of our eyes. Now we're just going to take some mascara and we're just going to put that on our top eyelashes. My absolute favorite part about doing makeup is the eyelashes. I just love them. I feel like it adds that flair to your look. So now we're just going to go in with some falsies, whatever eyelashes you want to use. And we're just going to put on the adhesive on the strip. And then we're just going to blow it out to get it a little tacky. And then we're going to put it on our eyelids with the help of tweezers. And now we're going to repeat the same step for our other eyelids. Dramatic lashes, check. Now it's time for our foundation. We're just going to take a damp beauty blender and we're just going to put the foundation on and we're just going to put that all over our skin and then we're just going to blend it out. Blending is extremely crucial for a bomb makeup look. So ladies, please, please, please set your alarm probably like 45 minutes earlier or whatever, just to ensure that you look really great for your first day back. Just make sure you take time and blend out that makeup, please. Now it's time for our concealer to highlight our face. Usually I do mix the colors, but today I decided not to because I think that it looks better without it being mixed. So I'm just going to go ahead and highlight all of the areas that need to be highlighted. I don't really know how to tell you exactly what areas, but you can just look at me and see, where I'm doing it at. But yeah, we're just going to do that and then we're just going to blend that out with a damp beauty blender. To bring back some structure to our face after we just highlighted, we're just going to go ahead and contour. So I usually contour around my nose and my cheekbones and a little bit on my jawline and my forehead. So just go ahead and see where you feel like you need to bring your face back and just put the contour there. Alright, now we're going in with our eyeliner and we're just going to put that on our lower lash line. Dipping back in the 350 palette, I'm just going to go with this goldish shimmery color and I'm going to put that in the inner corner of my eyes. And I will also put that right under my eyebrows just to give it that pop also. Now we're just going to take our mascara and we're going to go back and put it on our lower lash line. Back to the 350 palette and I'm going to go ahead with this darker brown shade and I'm just going to put that all over my lids. Have a light hand when you're blending this makeup out. Don't put too much product on there with the brown because it can overpower it. Just go really lightly and just keep on blending. So now I'm going to take some lip liner and some lip gloss to make my lip combo. I'm going to outline my lips with my lip pencil, and then I'm just going to go in with my lip gloss. With my Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray, I'm just going to go ahead and spray my whole entire face just to increase the longevity of my makeup. This is going to last really well because I also did put primer, so you can look forward to a full day of slay. Last but certainly not least, we're just going to go ahead with our highlighter. And I put my highlighter on my nose and my cheeks. So yeah, just go ahead and highlight wherever you want to highlight. I like to just be glowing out here. So yeah. Alright, you guys, that concludes today's video. Today I showed you how to do like a neutral glam makeup for back to school, whether it be college, whether it be high school, it doesn't really matter. It's going to look good for anybody, whatever skin tone, whatever shape, size, it doesn't really matter. You're just going to slay, and that's great because when you look good, you feel good. So I need you guys going in to the new school year feeling better than ever, feeling like you're ready to conquer. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, and also comment and let me know what else you would like to see from me, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much. Bye.